first, I'd like to give a shout out to Herb Anime for providing these wonderful avatars, which we will send to our winners for each of you to show off to your social media and whatnot. And so we're so excited to help give you the visions of from the Hip Hop Hackathon. So first, again, we're introducing Alvin Liu, who is the community award winner. He won a Google Career Training for the year, which is over $1,000 value. And he was on Social Services Team 6. He wins $100 gift card and up to 2,500 in software grants and discounts to bring his vision to life.
Hi, my name is Alvin Liu, and I'm going to be proposing the community application, which won the Hip Hop Hackathon in first place overall, social award, and the community awards. First of all, I'm really sorry that I cannot be there in person. Well, live in the Zoom session presenting this because of the fact that I'm actually supervising a camp right now. I will be attending this Zoom call. Hopefully the connection will allow me to stay on the Zoom call. However, if you have any questions or concerns throughout this presentation, feel free to send me a Zoom chat because I'll definitely respond to that as much as I can. And hopefully this goes on without a pitch. So we have a lot of different companies here. And what's interesting for us to actually understand is the fact that individuals have to get to those companies to actually work there. And our application allows for individuals before they get to that stage. So individuals who are in high school or are aspiring students or aspiring whatever in their careers, they'll be able to use their application, volunteer, and become active in whatever community they are in. The whole picture here is that individuals don't really have the opportunity to actually find opportunities. That's always up to the individual to rigorously search the internet for something near them, and they shouldn't have to do that because they want to volunteer. We should make good use of their time to actually give them a chance to be out in the field instead of searching for something. And we all get distracted and we end up searching something else, so we might not even make it to that stage. But with our application, it is so much easier. So people need a community to thrive because it's human nature. Because united we stand, we basically stand together forever. And once that's happened, it's a very tightly knit community, whether that be a huge city or a rural city. And we don't want these individuals to be stuck behind a paywall because many of these applications who say that they volunteer and have volunteering experience on them and you can join, they require you to pay some sort of membership fee. And this is irritating for individuals who are trying to host something or someone trying to actually volunteer for something and get their community service hours or get noticed by anything. And this is why community comes to be, because it is a huge opportunity to jump in and get some federal grants and also to support the community. And community addresses many of the trends, and this is taken directly from Google Analytics, where a lot of searches have been found that people don't know where things are. And this is very important because we need other people to help people, especially post-pandemic. This is this is a significant reason because now that we're going back eventually to a post-pandemic life, individuals need to readapt and we need to get our community more tightly knit. And these are some of the mock-ups I've created. Granted that some of them are not as nice. However, it's all progress. I've been creating and slowly developing. As you can see on the top left, I've been kind of developing something that allows for individuals that is intuitive and allows them to actually navigate the site or application easy. This is what one of them ended up looking like. I programmed a few and they look decently well. They are responsive and intuitive. So why community? Community allows for individuals to not only be tightly knit, it also helps you find entry job levels and also records the volunteering experience and all the good things you've done, and you can forward that to colleges and other things. This is really significant because individuals who are seeking to attempt to get into the field really need help in actually finding volunteering experience. You can also help individuals who are near you, which is a significant one. I don't want to drive like 6 miles away just to volunteer for something when I didn't even know my neighbor was actually offering something and needed some help. And this is very good for people who are handicapped because this is for individuals who actually need help, and these individuals could support them if necessary. And who will be the leaders of our community? Our community leaders will be everybody who's participating in this because they are being active, they are being proactive, and they are leaders. They are helping the next generation and the current generation be more tightly knit, and this is a step towards our futures. As you can see, this was a template used by SlideGo. We are actually using a very tightly knit understanding of how this font is created, how we're designing it, and how this application is going to go forwards. Everything is attempted to be as nicely as we can before anyone decides to sponsor or help this program. So the application development will be 3 to 9 months approximately, and it'll probably be a bunch of people in the background coding and doing some random stuff. But hey, they're gonna be doing this for 3 to 9 months, and they're trying to help the community. Then we're gonna test launch in selected cities for urban cities, metropolitan cities, and rural cities. This is to get an idea of like a general concept of how this our application may apply in different cities, and to get the hype up for all the other cities who aren't participating at this moment. This is an amazing opportunity because hopefully this will get our notice to other individuals before we actually publish a stable version. When we do publish a stable version, it will be year one. We're going to roll out many campaigns over the month, including partnerships with maybe driving companies and other stuff to help get our students or individuals around. This this doesn't only include to just students. It involves a huge variety of public individuals. Thank you for listening. Again, I'm so sorry I could not be there. This concept will remain to be in development, and I'll keep on developing it. Just go to the first page in this video where I actually show you where my LinkedIn is, and I will most likely publish it there when I'm done with this project or to update you all how I'm doing. Thank you so much for listening.
Awesome. Thank you so much, Alvin.
Thank
And
you.
yeah, oh, there you are. Your voice is coming through.
Yeah,
Oh,
I'm
not
over
too
here.
bad.
Can't. Hopefully, it's not that bad. It's weird being on the phone.
Yeah, you want to say a few words?
It was a really fun opportunity to do this, and while I had a lot of schoolwork and stuff going on, it was kind of a cool side gig to have, and that was it. Thank you.
You're welcome. Thanks for joining us. Congratulations. And we'll be
Thank
in
you.
touch about your prizes and whatnot.
Thank you.
Thank you. All right.